So, guys, I was outside and I saw all these birds, like they were flying around. Yeah, we're gonna go get a closer look at that. This is gonna be possibly a short video. Not exactly sure. But as you can see, look at these things, man. Just a minute ago, they were like flying around and everything. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Isn't that so cool? The sun's in my eye. Look at that, man. Isn't that like so cool? Now they're all going onto the line. Just so you know, I'm going to up the brightness on this. But there's like a bunch of birds down there. If you guys don't see that. There's also some over there. They were at first in a big old flock. Now they're like separated or something. Yeah. This is a very short video. Oh, peace, guys. Peace. Yeah. Subscribe, hit the like button.